I am back with another grocery haul. Hi, if you're new here and community, and welcome to my channel, hauling this together. I only have one bag, and I know it says Walmart, but I didn't actually go to Walmart. These are some stuff that weren't at the grocery store that we went to do our big 2-week grocery shopping, and so I went to get some stuff today. I went to Superstore and I went to Bulk Barn. Couldn't remember what the name was. I'm low-key excited and nervous at the same time. Let's start with the Bulk Barn stuff. I spent $40 at Bulk Barn. So I got 2 different protein powders. They're both whey protein, but this one is vanilla and this one is chocolate. I've tried the vanilla one before, but I've never tried the chocolate one before. I didn't necessarily love the taste of this one, but they're in small amounts, and I'm assuming that is mainly how I was using it before, because I used to just like add it to my Greek yogurt, which was mainly plain Greek yogurt. And so I'm going to be experimenting a little bit more before I invest in like a bigger container, hence Bulk Barn. So I got a bag of chia seed, which I usually get from Bulk Barn, and this is just for my chia puddings and stuff going forward, and I like to like throw it in my smoothies and things. This is ground flax seeds, and I don't necessarily love flax seeds based on what I can remember, and that's why I got it ground and not like the whole seeds, because that way I can easily add it to things and like have it kind of disappear instead of like actually like chewing the nut, if that makes sense. It's not a nut, it's a seed, without actually chewing the seed. These last 2 things from Bulk Barn are all new, as in I've never tried them before, but I know the health benefits, and so, or nutritional benefits, whatever you want to call them, and so I want to try them out. Hemp seeds, I think you use it kind of like how you would like add flax seeds or chia seeds to like your yogurt or your salads or whatever else. So I need to do a little bit more research on that, but I wasn't planning on getting it, but then I saw it and I'm like, oh, I also saw nutritional yeast and I was gonna try it. I'm like, too many new things in one go. So I did get just a small, it's literally this much. And then the final thing, which is the main thing I went there for, is monk fruit sugar, because I'm trying to limit my sugar intake so that I can, one, reverse my insulin resistance and my PCOS, which if you aren't aware, I have those things, yay me. And so I want to try this out because it doesn't spike your insulin and it's also 0 calorie and all of that stuff. This one I think is mixed with something, erythritol. No idea if I'm pronouncing that correct, but anyways, so it's mixed. I did taste it while I was in there, because I wanted to know if it has like, I hate the aftertaste of artificial sweeteners like stevia or Truvia or any of those. It has a real like bitter aftertaste, which is disgusting, and so I tasted it just to make sure that it was going to have that weird aftertaste situation, and it doesn't, and I hope it doesn't when I use like larger amounts too. So anyways, that was the Bulk Barn purchase, and everything came up to $40.24. Yeah. And then now to the real Canadian Superstore. This one is the one that I'm excited and scared about at the same time. I got beef bone for bone broth. It says beef marrow soup bones, frozen. Yeah, so I'm gonna try bone broth and see how I feel about it. I'm trying it for the gut benefits and also for the bone marrow, since I have a whole ass leg injury and I was told that it might help me with healing that injury. And so let's see how that goes. And the rest of stuff are just additives that I don't have at home that's supposed to go with the bone broth, which I will do in a day or 2. So I have celery, which I only need like 2 or 3 sticks of celery, so I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of it because I really hate the taste of it. So let's see. And then I also got an extra onion, and I chose the red onion because I think it's sweeter and a lot tastier than the yellow onion. And then 2 carrots. That's it. That's everything I got. And that total was $16.34. I keep showing you the receipt and I know you can't see any numbers on there. Okay, so this right here is everything that I got, and I think it will be a good little addition to all the things that I got before, which if you haven't seen that other grocery haul video, then you can check it out right here. If you like these kinds of videos, then let me know down below in the comment section. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, then what are you waiting for? I'm not telling you to do anything, I'm just asking, you know. That's it for this video. I will see you in my next upload, but until then, just remember to do something today that will help you to be a little bit better than you were yesterday. Okay, bye.